develop in the Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a recipe of celery and tofu stir-fry. This is a vegetarian plate. You may be curious, among these ingredients, there's a lot of Sichuan peppercorn and a lot of green onions, but you may know soon. The bean curd seed you can buy from Chinese food market. First, we washed all the vegetables and then cut green onions. We only use the white part and a little bit green part of green onions. Cut them into small pieces. Then cut garlic into small pieces too. For the green pepper, we remove the root part of it. Then we open it and remove the seeds. Then cut them into small strips. This kind of pepper is a little bit hot. If you don't like hot spicy, you can use bell green pepper instead. For this red pepper, cut off root part. Then cut it into small rounds. Then use diagonal knife to cut this celery into small strips. For the bean curd seeds, first cut it into square seeds. Like this, we have 4 square seeds. Then use diagonal knife to cut them into chop-jointed seeds. Then cut these chop-jointed seeds into small diamonds. Actually, you can cut any kind of shapes you like. For example, easier just little strips. Now, our cutting job is finished. We get everything ready for next step. Next, we put bean curd diamonds in the boiling water to boil about 2 minutes to make the bean curd diamonds more tender. The fresh bean curd seeds can only be kept in the refrigerator about a couple of days after it's getting bad. So normally I freeze them. Use this method to defrost and making them good chewing texture. Next, heat this cooking part over low heat. When it is dry and warmer, then dump in 1 cup and another cup of canola oil into it. After the oil is a little warmer, then add in the Sichuan peppercorn. Stir a little bit. You may find the Sichuan peppercorn is on the bottom of the cooking pot. Around 3 minutes later, you may find the Sichuan peppercorn, they goes up, they stay on the top of the oil. The color of them become dark brown. Then add in chopped garlic. Then stir a little bit. Fry about 2 minutes. You may find the garlic are dried and light brown. Then add in the chopped onions. Because there's a lot of chopped onions, so this time take a little bit longer to fry. It's about 4 minutes later. You may find the green onions turn to light brown color too. They are also very dried. You see, like this. Now, it's good. We transfer the oil into another container. We use small funnel to filter out all the oils. Wow! It is really nice oil. It is a very tasty oil too. Now we heat a squeeze over high heat. Then add in 1 tablespoon of oil we just made. Then add in the green peppers and red peppers. Then stir fry a little bit. Then add in celery. Stir fry. Then we add in salt. Stir fry. You see, the celery are white because some liquid come out. Then add in the tofu lemons. We use the both chopstick and the wooden turner to separate the beancurd seeds. Then add in red soy sauce. Then add in mushroom oyster sauce. It's not real oyster sauce. Stir fry everything to mix everything well. Now add in the liquid potato starch. Then stir fry everything to mix everything well. Now everything well cooked, we turn off the heat and transfer the mixture into a plate. Wow, the mixture looking wonderful. Yes, it is a yummy vegetarian plate. It can be served with steamed rice. Also can be served with boiled spaghettini, etc. Now you should understand why I use a lot of oil, a lot of Sichuan peppercorn, a lot of green onion, a lot of garlic. They are used to make this onion, pepper, garlic oil. It is a very tasty oil. It can be used any stir fry, especially for the vegetarian plate. Make the plate very tasty. I wish you like my recipe. Thank you for your coming. See you next time.